Let's pour the mixture in the seashell mold this time. Wow! This one looks more colorful and smells better. Let it cool for 2 hours too. Finally, the time now is 6:52. We let both mixtures to cool for more than 2 hours. Okay, here is the final result, and we have our two soaps. This is the seashell soap, which is more colorful and smells stronger.
Pour turtle soap.
Thanks for watching the video. Please try it yourself. It will be fun and a good learning experience, especially for kids. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more educational content.